Hi, I'm Kate with DJ's Painting and Remodeling, and I'm excited to show you this remodeling work we recently completed on this home. This homeowner has been a valued customer of ours for many years, and we were honored that they invited us back to help with several new projects. We began by reconstructing the kitchen, removing the existing cooktop to make room for a new range, and taking out the old wall oven to make room for some new shelving and cabinet doors. The homeowner chose to keep their beautiful original oak cabinets, so we gave them a fresh update with a thorough cleaning and polish to restore their natural look. To elevate the space, we added custom end panels. This simple detail added a new layer of sophistication and creates a more finished, high-end look. The cabinets are topped with new quartz countertops and finished with a sink made from a durable sill granite material, offering both a sleek appearance and a long-lasting performance. The backsplash features natural color variation in the tile, creating an organic textured look that adds visual interest without feeling flat or uniform. And the updates didn't just stop in the kitchen. We also installed a new custom pantry organizer, replaced the pantry closet doors with solid wood doors stained to match the existing woodwork, replaced the back sliding door, updated the recessed lighting, installed a new storm door, and refreshed the front door with a new coat of paint. Thank you so much for joining me on this walkthrough. If you're ready to get started on your remodel, give us a call today.
DJs can do it.